Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Kolapachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video we going to start the next poem which is given in your English reader book. So for that you all take out your new Champs English reader book and open poem What I Like. Okay student. So in this poem we have to learn about a girl and their what she like. Okay, so student, you can see in this poem there is a girl and he describing that what she liking and what she not. Okay, so here we can see this is a girl and now she telling about her likeness. So let's start the reading of this poem. The name of this poem is What I Like. Okay, what I like. So what is this, what is the girl likings, we have to know through this poem. So first line we have to start reading one by one. So first line, I like to see the birds go flying to the tree. This girl is saying that she like to the birds, she like to see the birds go flying to the tree. As you can see, this all birds are going to the tree. Okay, and she is saying that I see dear little birdies, please sing a song to me. This girl is saying to the birds, please sing a song to her. Okay, for her. Now next is the girl is saying in second stanza that I like to see in the evening the stars shine in the sky and up over the houses the big round moon go by. The girl is saying that I like to see, she like to see evening. Okay, she like to see in the evening when the stars shine in the sky. As you know that stars shine in the sky. Okay, so and up over the houses the big round moon go by. Student, tell me, what do you see in the night sky? So we have to see in the night sky that moon, star. Okay, so when the evening, the girl is like to see the evening and star shine in the sky, and she also like to see the moon. Okay, and now the last stanza is I like rain when the sun shine, for I know that by and by we'll see a pretty rainbow like a ribbon in the sky. She is also liking the rainbow. Okay, she is also liking the rain when the sun shine, and that time she is knowing that a pretty rainbow shown in the sky. Okay, so these are the liking of this girl. And student, we have also read this story. As you all are child, you all liking something, so you have also likes sun, moon, star, these all things. So student, so let's again read this poem one more time. So I like to see the birdies go flying to the tree. I see dear little birdies, please sing a song to me. I like to see in the evening the stars shine in the sky and up over the houses the big round moon go by. I like rain when the sun shine, for I know that by and by we'll see a pretty rainbow like a river in the sky. Okay students, so now this is the poem which is given in your book. So you have to learn this, and after that now moving to the next, there is exercises. So let's solve the exercises. In number 1, complete the sentences. So student, here is the first, the birds go flying to the, so we all know the birds go flying to the tree, so we have to write here tree, TREE, tree. In second, I asked the birds to sing a song, sing a dash, so we have to fill here song, SONG, song to me. In third, the star sign in the sky, here we have to fill sign, stars sign, SHINE, sign. Number 4, there is a big round dash over the houses, so we have to fill here moon, MOON, moon. And number 5, the rainbow looks like a dash in the sky. So we have to write here ribbon, RIBBON, ribbon. Okay, so like this we have to complete exercise 1, and you have also write down this exercise in your notebook. So in number 1 you have to fill tree, TREE, tree. In second, song, SONG, song. In third, shine, SHINE, shine. Number 4, moon, MOON, moon. And number 5, ribbon, RIBBON, ribbon. Okay student, so now moving to the next is exercise B. In exercise B, read aloud with your teacher. So student, let's read the given words. Okay, read this given words. So first is SMALL, small. Second, smart, SMART, smart. SMELL, smell. SMILE, smile. SNAKE, snack. SNAIL, snell. SNAP, snap. SNOW, snow. SPAC, space. SPAD, spade. SPARK, spark. SPOON, spoon. STAR, star. STEM, stem. STOP, stop. STOOL, stool. Okay student, let's again revise this given word one by one. So first is small, SMALL, small. Smart, smell. Smile. Snack, snell. Snap, snow. Space, spade. Spark, spoon. Star, stem. Stop, stool. Okay student, so you have already also learned these given words with their spelling. Okay, so now moving to the next is exercise C. So in exercise C there is a fun time. So student, here is the exercise C. Draw 2 things you see in the sky. So student, you have to do the drawing work here. So you have to, what did you see in the sky? So student, we have to see in the sky sun, moon, star. Okay, rainbow also. So we have to draw the pictures of rainbow, star, moons. Like this you have to draw the rainbow, and also fill up your color. You have to draw clouds. You have to draw the rainbow and also fill the color. You all know that a rainbow has 7 colors, so you have to draw the rainbow and after that fill the color. Okay, and you have to draw only 2 things. Okay, first is rainbow, and you have to draw sun or moon, what you like, and you have also draw the stars. So student, these are the options that you are drawing, but you have to draw only 2 things that you see in the sky. There is many things in the sky that we see, but we have to only draw 2 things. So student, you have to draw clouds, you have to draw sun, you have to draw moon, you have to draw star or rainbow, whatever you want. Okay, so these are the exercise of this poem. You have to solve all the exercises one by one. Okay students, and one more time, let's again revise this poem. So I like to see the birdies go flying to the tree. I say, dear little birdies, please sing a song to me. I like to see in the evening the stars shine in the sky, and up over the houses the big round moon go by. I like rain when the sun shines, for I know that by and by we'll see a pretty rainbow like a river in the sky. Okay students, so I hope this poem is clear to you. I hope you all are understood very well. And student, you have also learned the poem and write the exercises in your notebooks. Okay, so till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep the learning, and also improve your handwriting. Okay student, so thank you.